dito or kabila?
Hindi.
It's better pag kabila.
Kabila. So that you can be kilig-kilig.
Kasi here, parang you know them too much. Diba? Kung sa kanila, you can get to know them pa. Like, you can have conversations.
On konting, yo, din. Totoo. Parang, ako, parang jealous para sa'yo. And, oo.
More? Sometimes I...
Pero,
okay, parang,